So you have fun building it?
Yeah. What? What's that?
You have fun building that?
Oh yeah.
Test fit in what, like 4 times?
But finally
you got it.
It's hot, so be careful.
Yeah, my hands are a little cold today, so it'll warm me up. There we go. Oh yeah. Right. Alright. Is there an extra coating or something? It looks green on the side over here. Where's my glasses? No, there is something in there. It's green. I mean, I like it.
I mean, it
separates it.
Primer mixed with the OEM coat.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, you can see it over here too. I mean, I like it. I mean, it separates it from the gray. Heck yeah. Oh, that emblem looks small on the picture. But right here.
Yeah, no, it's not.
Good God. Yeah, that's like what, like 100 pounds, right? Torque. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's right. It's whatever the manual says.
What's that?
It's whatever Manuel says.
Yeah, right. Manuel.
Yeah, for those manual guys out there. Hey, torque says in the manual like 15 pounds.
That's good.
Yeah, I like that blue on it too.
Goes nice with it.
Yeah. I should slam it. Everybody does it on YouTube. Oh my God, there's a bigger hole.
Yeah,
I bet. No, it was good.
Go ahead. Hit the truck, hit it again one more time. Go ahead and check it when you get home. I want to make sure there's no rubbing on it.
Okay, yeah. Don't look like it.
Yeah,
So far. Yeah.
It looks beautiful, man. That blue is nice. What else you gonna do blue like this or?
I don't really know yet.
All right, sir. Well, let me know what you think.
Yeah, I'll let you know what I think, and so far I like it. I like it.
And please let me know later. You know, check it. You know, you'll be driving. Right
Oh
now, so
no,
that's
yeah,
good.
yeah. So I'll probably just do that and check it and see how it's doing. But it looks really good.
You want this in the trunk?
Oh yeah. I got a mess in there, but hey, we'll throw it in here. See my mess.
Lucky Charms and ramen noodles. That's all you need to live on.
Hey, and you know.
Oh yeah.
And make sure I got my roadside assistance.
Yeah,
And I got a tour set back there. So I got lunch and breakfast.
Yeah.
Hey, you know, life struggles.
I hear you.
Struggle is real right there. But yeah, I like it.
All right,
I
cool.
like how it looks, and that blue, man. I don't know, that blue. Man. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do some little stuff in blue now.
Now it makes you want to do something else.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
But it looks really good. Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no worries.